A deep respect for nature and its biodiversity has been the guiding principle behind every design decision, from the form of access to the placement of this house. Considering the topography, the RD house is positioned in the middle third of the plot to take advantage of all its benefits: the views, vegetation, sunlight, and wind. The goal was not just to build a house, but to integrate it harmoniously into the topography, using every contour of the land to create diverse experiences in outdoor spaces with different characteristics. Located in the Sierras Chicas of Córdoba province, Argentina, it is a relatively small house that maximizes the space and adapts to the topography. A house that captures the landscape views and takes advantage of the best orientations. The architecture itself becomes a captivating visual narrative. The balance between the solidity of traditional construction and the ethereal lightness of lightweight construction brings dynamism to the design. The services, anchored in masonry that merges with the earth, provide a solid foundation for the steel structure with W profiles that unfolds modularly along the site, culminating in an elegant cantilever that rises as a lookout, a privileged observatory of the surrounding views. The social spaces are oriented to the northwest, aiming to optimize natural lighting and ventilation. The materiality emphasizes the functional duality of each space. Bathrooms, kitchen, laundry, and storage are presented as simple volumes with white finishes and modest openings. In contrast, the living room, dining room, and master bedroom are enclosed by the metal structure, clad in dark gray sheets that contrast with the solidity of traditional construction, while the large windows transform into transparent canvases that connect the interior to the surrounding nature. A succession of terraces invites residents to enjoy the outdoors. The architecture engages with nature through the use of concrete walls and gabions, which, filled with local stones, evoke the mountains and highlight the native trees. The strategic incorporation of plants from the Córdoba mountains, such as graceful grasses and imposing pampas grass, help frame these spaces. On the first terrace, there is a garden. On the next, the entrance. On the third, an extension of the gallery and the house. And on the final one, the pool and a forest of quebrachos, carob trees, and garabatos. The house resonates in harmony with nature, celebrating the beauty of the environment and the human ability to integrate gracefully and respectfully into the natural setting that surrounds it.